3, 2, 1, go. Whew. It's moments like these that I cherish and love the most. These are the times that I get to spend quality time with my sons. And kids don't ask for much. They really want one thing, and that one thing is us. They just want to spend time with you. You see, kids are like refrigerators. They get out what you put in. So it's really important that we teach these children the presence of being present. That's the real gift of life. Being there for others, being there when you're needed or when you're not. In this day and age, it's very important we teach our children the value of kindness and self-worth. We must teach them to love themselves and love others for their differences. Respect others' experiences, care for everyone. But that first starts with a solid foundation of love for others at home.
What's next? Y. And what's last?
Good job, Augie. Let's see.
C. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. No, my,
Good job. Next time, won't you sing?
And your boy, I am Xavier Lee.